The island of San Andres in Colombia is an international tourist and commercial destination. Its beaches and duty-free stores attract thousands of visitors every year, generating employment and economic opportunities for the island's residents. Though only 775 square kilometers in area, San Andres is the Caribbean's most densely populated island, with an estimated 60,000 inhabitants who face a number of public health challenges. In 2008, the Pan American Health Organization, the government of San Andres, and the Ministry of Social Protection of Colombia launched the project known as Healthy San Andres. The Healthy San Andres project takes an integrated approach to improving health conditions for the island's population and placed initial emphasis on strengthening the institutional capacity of the San Andres Department of Health.
Bueno, el problema de salud pública específicamente de San Andrés tiene varios factores. Uno, la poca cultura de la gente para el manejo de su entorno, lo cual puede generar en un momento dado enfermedades transmitidas por vectores, específicamente el dengue o en un momento dado la leptospirosis, que la transmite las ratas. A eso básicamente se está enfocando el proyecto de San Andrés Saludables, a que todo ese entorno malsano alrededor de las casas pues sea erradicado, si no en un 100%, por lo menos en un alto porcentaje.
The project has two major areas of work: vector control and water and sanitation.
Parte da estratégia de cooperação da OPS em Colômbia, se hizo projeto inicial há uns 2 anos atrás, que era para implementar, juntamente com a Secretaria de Saúde Departamental e o Ministério de Proteção Social, a estratégia de entornos saludáveis. Nesse sentido, esta estratégia de entornos saludáveis e com apoio técnico da organização deu frutos de interesse para outros setores e especialmente a própria governação.
With support from the Ministry of Health, the project is working on controlling vectors and eliminating risks through a program of detection and of pre-diagnostic, mainly focused on dengue and its transmission.
En la isla se ha detectado básicamente que hay un tema grande en el tema de salud, sobre todo en algún brote de algún vector que es conocido como el dengue hemorrágico. La parte cultural de la isla, la parte rural, es afectada por el desabastecimiento de agua, pero también por la falta de tener una calidad de vida apropiada y sobre todo en una cultura de manejo de los desechos de la vivienda, que se ve representado en un aumento de vectores y obviamente en un riesgo de cualquier epidemiología.
The second component is educational and includes awareness raising and direct training for people to ensure that they understand, accept, and participate in the project so that they can benefit from its housing improvements. It also includes educational efforts in hospitals and clinics, where the work of identifying cases of vector-borne diseases is done. This information is shared and logged into a warning system so that if any cases occur, the island is prepared to respond immediately.
Porque nosotros previo a la intervención hacemos una visita con trabajo social. Este tubo tiene un sistema de válvula.
The water and sanitation component it is a very important component because here in St. Andres we have a difficult in terms of scarcity of the water. There is no water supply for the mainly for most of the population that we are targeting right now. This population doesn't have access to the cleaning water, and they also have a very scarcity of water in general because this is an island, and we are trying to use the system that is based on the water harvesting, using the rainwater, cleaning this rainwater and make this water safe for them use.
The third component focuses on water and sanitation and integrated housing improvements, mainly involving improvements in kitchens and bathrooms, where insect vectors tend to reproduce. San Andres faces serious problems with clean water supply.
Y una de las formas de poder intervenir en las familias ha sido a través del mejoramiento del abastecimiento de agua para consumo. Entonces consta de un sistema de captación de agua de lluvia, a través de un sistema de canal que llega a un tanque interceptor de 120 litros y posteriormente llega a un tanque de 2000 litros, que es el agua que se utiliza para consumo, lógicamente después de haber pasado por el filtro de arena doméstico que tiene cada familia, que hace que esa agua sea segura y sea mejor para el consumo.
Healthy San Andres is working to improve 305 dwellings throughout the island. To date, more than half have been improved, bringing major benefits to the families and communities.
In the majority of the cases, we had a good approachment with those families. They receive us with their hands really open, mentality is really open. They listening to everything that we said, and they want to know more about this project and receive more. Well, basically we are doing only the aspect of sanitation in every house, so they would like, let's say, house improvement complete.
The Pan American Health Organization is working with Habitat International Colombia to improve water supply through the installation of a rainwater capture system.
Habitat se ha vinculado al proyecto desde el 2008 aproximadamente con la OPS, a través de la OPS siendo el operador técnico del programa de mejoramiento de vivienda. Básicamente esa ha sido la experiencia en estos 2 años aquí en la isla de San Andrés.
The rainwater is channeled through a chute that takes the water to a 120-liter holding tank. Once filled, the tank supplies water for consumption, for bathrooms, and for irrigation. The use of a check valve makes it possible for the remaining rainwater to be captured in a second adjacent tank of 2,000 liters. This water is then passed through household sand filters, which every family has, making it safe for consumption and food preparation. The majority of houses targeted by the project do not have bathrooms or systems for eliminating solid waste, which creates an environment for diseases to spread. The Housing Improvement Project is working to install dry latrines that function by adding lime to household sewage waste, eliminating the need for water on an island that faces a serious shortage of this resource. The latrines are being constructed as additions to houses, close enough to encourage their use by all members of the family. The project is also equipping kitchens with cupboards and cabinets where food can be stored away from rodents. Kitchen sinks are being connected to sewage pipes, and grease interceptors are being installed. Previously, water with organic compounds and grease was thrown through the window onto the patio. These measures make daily tasks easier and more pleasant, and improve the home environment by eliminating bad odors and helping to keep flies, mosquitoes, and rats away from the houses, thereby increasing families' risk of disease. In addition, each house gets a shower hooked up to a 20-liter tank so that members of the family can bathe.
Hoy en día, culminar este proyecto también quisiera, como gobernante, como hijos de estas islas, seguir contando con la presencia de ustedes en otros proyectos que también necesitamos en las islas.
Healthy San Andres is a project that promotes health, self-reliance, and responsibility among the families and communities of this beautiful island. It ensures access to the essential, irreplaceable resources of clean water and sanitation to promote the health of the island's residents and thousands of visitors. Today, many families are enjoying healthier lives and disease-free environments.
I didn't have toilet in my house. Not gonna have it now. Okay. I didn't have no amount. Have it now. also the tank for the rainwater. I have that now too.
Healthy San Andres is clearly possible. Working together, we will make it a reality.